Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick video. A lot of you might notice over time that your platter is getting a little weaker, no matter if you have it plugged into the wall or if you got a good fresh set of batteries in there. You're just noticing that the torque isn't as strong as it used to be. A lot of that has to do with the belt underneath the platter. It can get stretched out over time, especially if you have the wristband mod on this, you know, to give it a little bit of a tighter, snug feel. So what we need to do is switch that out and put a new belt on there. This one I got it off of Jesse Dean's website. These belts are a lot thicker and they're a little tighter, so they'll help out with better response time. So you see how it's kind of slowly turning up, and that's with the pitch all the way up. See, so it's not as strong as it used to be. So I'm going to show you guys right now how to replace that. So let's take the record off, take the slip mat off. You're going to see this little E-clip right here, and what you'll need to do is remove that E-clip like a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to see these little gaps in between here, and all you'll do is just pop it and it'll just come out. Be careful if it's newer, that if you do it too far or too fast, it might fly out. So anyway, all you got to do is just lift it off, just like that. And then that's the old belt, and you can see it's pretty stretched out compared to the newer belt. And of course you see the mod here for the wristbands. We're going to put the belt around the wristband here, so it's nice and tight there, just like that. You can see what I do is I push it up to the top, okay, just like that. And then since I already have this drilled out, you know, modified, I'll just spool this just like that. Now if you don't have a modified platter, you're gonna have two little posts, and what you'll do is you'll pull it to that post, and then you'll set it on that post. It'll hold it in place, so when you put it down over this, it'll be in the right position. You turn it and then it'll be on there. So I'm gonna hold that, come right over the motor there, push this down, and right over the top there, and boom. I can already feel the difference there. Alright, so the flat side of this goes down. So if you're looking at the E-clip, there's a flat side, and then if you flip it over, there's a side that's going to be a little more raised, flat side down. This can be a little tricky. What I like to do is just use my needle nose plier, hold, just like that. It'll lock in place. Alright, so we got it all back on. So let's take a look here. So you can see right away, the pickup on this is a lot better. It feels a lot stronger. So there you go, guys. That's basically how that's done. Super easy. And yeah, hopefully if you guys run into this issue, this video will help you guys out. So peace for now.